Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my home. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to look at Wille ELITE in the color Light Champagne Mix. I want to thank Andrea at Wig Studio One for providing me this wig to show you today, and to remind you to go over to our Facebook group. We have a private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. If you haven't joined that, please do. We have live wig sales in that group every other Sunday, and wig sales every Sunday, and lots of great conversation, pictures of wigs. It's a beautiful place, so be sure to join us there, and also on Instagram, where we're posting every day now on Instagram. Okay, I can't wait to show you Wille ELITE. Let's get started. Okay, Wille ELITE. If you've seen my channel, you know I've reviewed this before. I have this in several colors. It is in my personal collection. It's one of my favorite wigs. I am excited to show it to you again. You know, Wille just makes such beautiful, beautiful wigs. Their hairlines are gorgeous. Just beautiful. This color is very pretty. Champagne mix, light champagne mix. I like it. It is not a rooted color. If you aren't a fan of rooted wigs, you might love this, or you could add a root to this. I have a video of how I do that. Super easy. So that is an option. If you get this color and you decide you want a root, you can easily add a little root to this. It'd be really pretty. I'm just showing you some different headbands. Easy to wear with a headband, of course. Some glasses. Always have to have my glasses. Now let me tell you something about this wig. If you're familiar with Wille, you know they are petite average size. However, this style fits me large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I have to take this wig all the way up in the back. So this one fits me large. So just keep that in mind. If you have a little larger head circumference, this might possibly work for you. Okay, let's talk about the specs. The front is 7. The crown is 9½. The sides are 7½. The nape is 3, and it weighs 2.8 ounces. Nice, classic, straight bob, very low density, very low density. So if you're looking for, if that's something you're interested in, a low density bob, this might fit that ticket just perfectly. You could put some bangs into this if you like as well. You can pin it back. Show off that lace front. Easy to do. Okay, let's go outside and have a look at this color. Okay, let's talk about this color indoors. Light champagne mix. So it's a blended shade, of course. It has platinum and light golden blonde. And that really is accurate. It does have some platinum running through it. I think you probably could see that better in outdoor lighting. And then it does have golden blonde. It's available in 13 colors. Again, go to wigstudio1.com. They have information on discounts. They have discount codes. All that information is on the website, wigstudio1.com. So be sure to check that out. Okay, let's look at the inside of the cap. Okay, let's look at the inside of the cap for Wille ELITE. Beautiful contoured lace front into a left mono part. This is where there's permatease, but like I said, very, very minimal. Closed ear tabs, open wefted, non-extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters, and you can see I have pulled them in, like I said, to get a little snugger fit. And there is also stretch in this wig, so just keeping that in mind if you have a little bit larger head circumference. And here's another look at the color, Light Champagne Mix. Okay, that was a look at the inside of the cap. Again, this is just such a nice bob. I like a classic style. I like something I can wear casual, or I can dress it up. Like I said, just put on a jeweled headband or a beautiful barrette. Get it off your face. You can really dress this up, so it's versatile. That's a big plus, in my opinion, on this wig. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. That does count for YouTube, so please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to visit my website, Crazywiglady. crazywiglady.com. I have my wigs for sale there. I have blogs there. Join my email list. If you're on my email list, when I have little surprises coming up, you'll be the first to know. So be sure to check that out, crazywiglife.com. And follow me on Instagram. You know I have Wig to Toe Wednesday on my Instagram, so be sure to join me there. Thank you so much, and don't forget, we're all in this together.